Hello, my name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a very short, brief yoga series that you can take at any time during the day to get the body and the breath moving. So today's session is going to be started in a seated position. So you might have the legs out, staggered, or a traditional cross-legged. And just beginning to invite the hands on the thighs, palms down. If you need a bit of grounding, if you need a little bit more energy, taking the back of the hands to the thighs or the knees if comfortable. We're just going to begin to soften or close the eyes. And just taking a round or two of breath through the nose. Letting any fleeting thoughts or distractions come and gently go away. And when we're ready, we're going to slowly begin to invite our left ear towards the left shoulder. As I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. And for some, we might stay right here. If you want to take it a bit further, we may begin to take that left hand towards the sky and gently taking the fingertips to the temple or maybe the ear. Right hand can stay where it is. Maybe we invite the palm down, or maybe taking the right hand towards the long edge of our mat. And gently beginning to release the left hand down towards the earth. And we're going to tuck the chin in towards the chest, gaze coming down towards the lap if the eyes are open. And then we'll slowly lift the chin. We're going to take us on the other side, so letting that right ear come towards the left shoulder. Again, we might stay here, maybe taking that right hand up towards the sky, temple, or ear. The left hand can stay where it is, maybe walking a little bit further away. And gently beginning to release the right hand down. We'll begin to tuck the chin in towards the chest, letting the head go heavy. And then slowly lifting the chin. We're going to begin to take the arms up overhead, taking your choice of width. We can stay wide, hovering, maybe binding. We're going to take a gentle side stretch, going over to the right. Back through center, and then casually going over towards the left. Back through center, slowly beginning to release the hands behind. We'll begin to take pretend pockets, fingertips or interlacing the hands. And then beginning to open up the chest, gaze may go upward. And slowly beginning to release the hands, taking the arms up overhead. And we're going to slowly begin to come into a tabletop. So some of us may roll over the shins or the ankles, but just beginning to come into your tabletop position of all fours. And we're going to begin to tuck the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine into your cat. And then slowly into your cow, dropping the navel to the earth, shoulders coming away from the ears. Imagine a smiley face with a spine. We'll do that 2 more times, exhaling and inhaling. Beginning to come into a neutral spine. And we're going to begin to explore threading the needle. So we're going to begin to lift this right arm up in front and then out to the side. And we're going to begin to thread the back of the hand along the earth. We might stay here on our forearm. We're sending the fingertips over towards the left, releasing the sit bones. The left hand can stay where it is. Maybe we walk it forward. Maybe we take a bind. And beginning to take that left hand back near your gaze, pressing into the earth as you unthread that right arm, maybe taking a twist. And then back down. And clarifying the foundation, we're going to begin to take this on the other side. So taking that left arm up and out. Palms down, and then beginning to thread the needle, releasing the temple down towards the earth. Right hand staying where it is or walking it forward. or beginning to bind. Taking that right hand back, unthreading that left arm, maybe taking a gentle twist. And then back down. And we're going to begin to take our left leg behind us, coming onto the ball of the foot and just taking a gentle stretch. You might lean back. And then we're going to begin to lift the left foot. We're going to begin to bring this foot between the hands. So bending the knee towards the nose, rounding the spine, taking that left foot through. You might even give it a helping hand if necessary. And we'll begin to take the arms up overhead. And then we're going to begin to take the hands behind. We're going to take a bind. Again, it might be that pretend pockets. Fingertips are interlacing. And beginning to open up the chest. We're going to take the shoulders back over. Inhaling the arms up. And we're going to begin to come into a sprinter's lunge. So releasing the hands down. And we'll begin to lift the left toes or beginning to straighten that left leg. Now the hands can walk back to support us. If you are able to get the sit bone to the heel, I'm going to invite you to hover. Just lifting a bit. And we'll slowly begin to bend that left knee. Hands are coming forward. And we're going to begin to tuck the back toe, lifting the knee, runner's lunge. I'm going to come to a downward dog via three-legged. So beginning to slide or step that left leg back, taking the toes down towards the earth rather than opening it towards the left. And then downward dog. Round of breath here. And then we'll begin to release the knees down to the earth. And we're going to begin to take this right leg behind us. Again, coming onto the ball of the foot, stretching back. Slowly beginning to lift. We'll bring the knee to the nose. So we're going to begin to invite that right foot through. In your own time, taking the arms up. And then we'll take the hands behind. Maybe taking an awkward hold, other thumb on top, opening up the chest. And begin to release the hands up towards the sky. And we'll begin to release the hands to frame that foot. We're coming into your sprinter's lunge, lifting the toes, maybe beginning to straighten the leg. Hands are there to support. Beginning to bend the knee, hands are coming forward. Beginning to come into your runner's lunge, lifting that left knee. And then we'll begin to come into your three-legged dog. And then downward dog. Beginning to release the knees to the earth, untucking the toes, coming into a child's pose just for a moment. Hands can stay in front. You might take a prayer, maybe prayer to the back of the head. Beginning to release the hands, so we'll begin to come back to your kneeling position, sitting on the heels if this is comfortable. Otherwise, beginning to come into a seated position. I'll take the hands together at the heart, releasing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being in your practice. And thank you for sharing this short yoga flow with myself. If you'd like to explore any of the other practices, check out the playlist in the description, hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.